Hey guys, so today I'll be doing some Madden Ultimate Team, Madden 18 Ultimate Team packs, trying to get the most points. Like up there, that says 21,000 points. Let's go to the next pack. Okay, scroll down so you can see all the cards. Ooh, 90 Landon Collins. Oh, that's not very good. Oh, 89 Mingo Green. Here, wait. Let's actually just reveal all. Oh, they all open this time. And we got 5,000 points. So that's our high so far. I'm gonna try to get 50,000 points, but I don't think you can. Scroll down. They're all 90. Oh, never mind. That's a good pack. That's a good one. That's gotta be pretty good. 24,000. I'll take that one. Okay. 92 Josh Norman, 91 Derek Brooks, 89 Bobby Wagner, 89 Jason Verrett. I have him on my team. I have these two on my team, actually. I have these two on my team. I have Andre Reed and Devin McCourty on my team, actually. How much is that? 105. 105,000. Okay, we easily got 50,000. Holy cow. Oh, so this one's not very good. So we have two pretty decent cards. They're not even that good, and this one will be like 10,000. See what I say. 105,000 though, and two were on my team actually. Devin McCourty and Andre Reed, they're both on my team. Oh, this one's trash. Nate Soldier, he's on my team. Marquette King's on my team. Only 13,000. That's terrible. Next one, and then we'll see. And then we're gonna switch back, and we're gonna go to the Muthead packs. These are the insanity packs. Oh, James Harrison. I think I have Jack Conklin on my team. I think I have James Harrison. I have Sam Martin as my kicker. Yeah. I have Matt Prater as my kicker. Oh, this one's terrible. Well, I think Brian Urlacher, don't have him. I have Mean John Green, Zeke, but he's my backup, but I have his, 86 card. That Robert Quinn sucks. So the highest we got was 105,000. Okay, so it's open packs. We're gonna do these ones now. We're just doing those ones. So we're gonna do these ones and see what we get. Oh, these ones suck. Holy crap, these ones suck. I have Von Miller on my team. 10,000, these ones suck. These ones suck. Okay, for these ones, oh yeah, these ones I wanted 50,000. The other one I wanted 100,000. Because I was opening some before we got the 92 Bobby Wagner's on my team, bud. He's a beast, but that pack was terrible, only 2,000, bud. Trying to get 50,000. The other one we got 100,000, I don't know how though. I saw someone got 200,000. And I was like, okay, let's see that. This one sucked. 108 and it was a kicker. The first one was the best so far, but so we got Colt Cruz and Devin Wade from Long Shot. We got the 91 DeAndre Hopkins. And he's powered up though. It's only gonna be 5,000, I think. Or 1,000. We'll do 3 more of these, and then I'll build a team. Okay, can you see that? Nope. And then I'll open some 2K packs. Holy crap! Yeah, that's the Z guy. No, I have the next one above it. Okay, 2 more. Okay, this one sucked. This one like 2,000, not even 2,000. Last one. Let's try to end off with a bang. Let's end off with a banger. Come on. Turn Jarvis Landry. Okay. Okay, Fitz. Oh, I have Rodney Harrison on my team. That's a banger. That's a good one. 15,000. Nice. We'll do a team builder for 18. I'll build as much as I can, memorizing my team. Okay, quarterback. I have shoot. Shoot. I don't remember. I don't know. Shoot. Wait. I think it's Cam. Dude. Oh no, Derek Carr. It's not. My backup is Zeke. My starting one. My starting running back. It might be. I know we got him from one of the packs, but I can't remember. I think it's David Johnson or Jordan Howard. I think it's David Johnson. Not that one, but like number 2, I know who it is. It's Ezekiel Elliott. No, not that one. That one. Wide receiver number 1. Andre Reed. I think slot. Wait, I know who that is. That is Brandon Cooks. Flashback. Number 3. I know it's not that good. It's like 87, I think. I think Odell. I think it's the 89 Odell. Odell Beckham. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, and then my center, I think it's Jason Kell. It's one of the Bruce Matthews. Bruce. Not that one. Really? Okay, I had Bruce Matthews. And then right tackle. Oh yeah, Jack Conklin. Right guard. Right guard. I think it's Yan. Yeah, it's Yanda. Just only the 90. It's the incognito. Pull them. This one's you can guess who it is. Just joking, no you can't. It's Joe Thomas. Just joking, you probably could. But it's one of the worst ones. The 88. No, shoot. Sorry about that, guys. That's my fault. Okay, tight end. Oh, this is Gronk. No. Gronk's my backup. Greg Olson's my starter. My hero's Greg Olson. And then backup tight end is Gronk. The 90 Gronk. Fullback is just Kyle. Now defense. This is gonna be the harder one. No, not number 2. Not number 2. Number 2 is Navarro Bowman, but like really bad one. The 86 Navarro Bowman is my backup just because he has good coverages. But then you all know who my starter is, Bobby Wagner. Left outside linebacker. That's Charles Haley, bud. He's a beast. He's got a good card. And then right outside linebacker, it's not KJ Wright or Derek Brooks. Oh shoot. This is the one that I completely forgot. It might be Terrell Suggs or Telvin Smith. I'm pretty sure it's team of the week Telvin Smith. And then Terrell Suggs is my backup. Free safety. You all know who it is. It's Sean Taylor, duh. It's Sean Taylor. It's Sean Taylor. Not the 95, obviously. I just typed Taylor. Oh wait, never mind. It's not Sean Taylor. Who is it? Yeah, because Cam Chance was a strong safety. So my strong safety is free safety. It's not Earl Thomas. Okay, I don't know who it is. Screw this. Corner number 1. Sherman. And then Slay is number 3. And then number 2, who is it? Crap, I don't know. Okay, well, that's just gonna be it because I don't know anyone else. Hope you like it. Please leave a like.